Hello, welcome back for lesson number 55. I put a title called left side. Today we're going to rough out the left side of this part. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result of the previous lesson. We have done the finishing cut on the top face. We will continue the rough out operation for the subsequent operation. We will start with insert sketch. Select the plane as display, click OK. 6.5 for the distance after we use the offset function. This is to copy the curve so that we can extend it in a later time. 0.5 is for the balance material for finishing cut. 6 is for the radius. For diameter, 12 mm flat end mill. Click OK. We use the trim and extend function. You can see that I have extended the curves. Click OK. We will copy it by a distance of 5 mm on each time. We will repeat until it fulfills the whole area. Click OK. You can see that I have copied number of curves. Continue. We want to use the offset function. Put a distance of 0. Select the outer boundary of the part so that we can trim away the unnecessary toolpath. Click OK. Yes, use the power trim. We have cleaned up and we need to select these two curves and erase away using the delete key. Exit. Looks good. We will continue to add operation using the profile method. Create profile. OK. We will select line by line, curve by curve. Click OK. The first one. And we're using a add profile function as display. Continue to add until you have the last one. Then click OK. Manage. We're going to use a diameter 12 flat end mill. Load tool shape. Mill. 12 mm flat end mill. Click OK. And we update the tool number. OK. Set the frame to G54. RPM and feed rate. We are going to use the on boundary because we are using profile method. Select the top as well as the bottom. You can see that. We will put 0.5 at the bottom thickness, and the step down is going to be base only. Continue to update the engage and retract. OK. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame to G54. And you can see after we drag the tool, Z minus 14.5, which is the correct dimension that we expected. OK. Click OK again. Let us perform a solid verify. Analysis. Looks good. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, insert sketch, select this plane, this OK, bring down a little bit, offset 6.5, select the curve, OK, trim and extend, select the curve, this one, distance, here, and one more time, this one, 2, here, OK, offset again, distance is 5, select curve, this one, click OK, one more time, this one, OK, OK, OK. We are good. Continue. Set to 0. Select curve 1 and 2. OK. Power trim. Drag. One more time. Select these two curves using the Shift key. Delete. We exit. Looks good. Let us start the operation. To axis meal. Profile. Create. Profile. OK. Select the first one. OK. Add profile. Second. OK. Continue. One more to go. OK. Click OK. Yes, we need to manage load 2 shape, mill, diameter 12, flat end mill. OK. Tool number 3. OK. No, we're not going to calculate at this moment. Frame set to G54. RPM is 800. 220. On boundary. Top is going to be this surface. Bottom is this balance material 0.5. This one is base only. No change. This is 50. 50. Change this one. 15 and 0. This one as well. 15 and 0. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame to G54. We drag the two. Yes, Z minus 14.5. This is what we expected. OK. OK. Let us perform a solid verify. Slow down. Play. Looks good. Option, analysis, visual. Let us take a look. Yes, we still have material for the finishing cut. You can see the color is not yet green. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to work on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.